Dreaming of an outdoor oasis in your own backyard but don't know where to start? Let's talk with Lauren from L3 Design, who will share some of her unique ideas to help you create the outdoor living space of your dreams.
I started L3 Designs when I was in college with my yellow lab, Hannah. After graduation, I moved back down to Houston, brought the business with me, and we've been growing ever since. The factors that we consider when designing an outdoor living space is how the space needs to function for our clients. If it's a young family, if it's for entertainment purposes, but then we like to take their wish list and expand and push the envelope from there. Our mission statement at L3 Designs is every client, every dream, every time. We try to deliver that on all of our projects for all of our clients on all different types of scopes of projects.
As a full-service turnkey landscaping firm, L3 Design has a passion for the outdoors, and it shines through in every project they do.
We are a design-build, full-service landscape outdoor living company, meaning that we want to come in and design everything exterior, from the pool, the patio, the landscaping. We want all these things to work together. Certainly the layout and the function all comes into play with that. So we offer all the services that would happen outside. We incorporate that in our designs. Our process starts with meeting our clientele and looking at the job site, going over the wish list, the conditions, and then from there we will create a 2D CAD version. And once that is approved by the client, then we'll do a 3D rendering of the project, showing all the different plant material, the color, the texture. So that way we basically have a future photo to show the client and set the expectation of what the finished project will look like.
Plants bring the natural beauty to a house. They can be very healthy for the homeowners. They will give you the flowers, they will give you different colors, different accents, and also they will bring you other forms of life like hummingbirds, butterflies. All plants have a purpose, actually. If a plant is in the wrong place, it can actually become a weed, not a plant. The knowledge of size of plants and the area where they should be planted depending on the position of the sun is very important. That way you can get the best out of them. If you put them in the wrong place, you may not get what you expect. Some type of flower or plants that will grow to the size and shape that you want them. So it's very important to have the knowledge of what plant fits what place.
They're always up on the latest trends that can enhance your home's value and add curb appeal.
Well, I think we can all cast our minds back to Valentine's Day 2021. We all woke up on that Sunday morning and there was a lot of ice, there was a lot of cold, and it stayed for a long time. And we'd always had real nice landscaping. Pretty sad seeing it all destroyed. And the next thing, we're around, we're having conversation, coffees around the table, there's preliminary plans, there's 3D drawings, there's renditions. All of a sudden we're in sort of like a frenzy of creativity, which was really, really exciting. And it really wasn't long before those drawings translated into doing physical work. Here, we were a big construction site for a while, but what we've had since, and how it's matured through the last year is just absolutely beautiful. And of course, it's great to have friends and family over and to entertain and have a really, really beautiful space, which is really, really fit for purpose, but really, really sensitive into being a really good fit with the architecture of the house. So it's been absolutely tremendous experience.
We want to create a seamless transition from inside to out. We want your outdoor living space to be considered part of your home and not something separate. So when we create that seamless transition, we're basically adding livable square footage to your home. We want to create destinations that bring you out into the garden for friends and family to gather and enjoy.
For more information about L3 Design, visit their website, l3-design.com. And of course, visit our website, designingspaces.tv.